You want to push the car?
There's only one in the back.
You want to roll?
Watch the front window. There's somebody there.
You want to what? Push the car. Push the car. Push the car.
Go.
You ready?
Hands!
Okay, got the front.
Today's video shows the arrest of a homicide suspect who should have already been in jail. Abdulwahid Osman was arrested on January 11, 2023 with a firearm. The video was shown on this channel just a few months ago. On that day, he was arrested for shooting into an apartment full of people. Unfortunately, due to uncertainty amongst the witnesses, he was not taken to jail on that day, but rather his case was sent to the grand jury for indictment. While his case awaited a grand jury decision, he was accused of committing several armed gas station robberies, including the robbery of a Shell station on West Broad Street on April 20th, 2023, where Mr. Osman was captured on video murdering Mr. Shaish Vera during a robbery attempt. Today's video took place about 5 days later, when officers observed the suspect walk out of a gas station on the west side of Columbus and get into a vehicle. The officers attempted a traffic stop, but the vehicle took off and eventually crashed. The vehicle contained Mr. Osman and two others, along with a handgun, a shotgun, and a rifle. He is currently sitting in jail on a high bond, awaiting his trial.
193.
193.
Yeah, I think we've got a white Chevy Impala, Sullivan Hague. It's facing southbound with a homicide warrant attached to it if you've got cars that can get in the area. And also chopper, please.
Chopper is down. Anybody for Sullivan and Hague?
We're stuck behind traffic trying to get out. It's going southbound on Hague through Sullivan. Tag's going to be for Victor 6420. Give me the air, please. It's going eastbound on Whitehead, coming up to Harris. Taking off southbound on Harris from Whitehead. We are at Mound and Harris. This is going to be for the guy out of the 41s and 28s. Southbound through Eakin, still on Harris.
I think there might be four.
There actually might be four on board. It's coming up to Briggs Road, still southbound. It's actually using its signal to go west. Nope, it's going to go eastbound on Briggs.
You got it.
9190, we got it.
There actually might be four on board. It's coming up to Briggs Road, still southbound.
Hold it, slow down. They're going to come up to us in a second.
It's actually using its signal to go west. Nope, it's going to go eastbound on Briggs.
Stop. Slow down. All right, go. 9190, we got it. We're going to be eastbound Briggs, passing Bellflower. We'll call it till another car gets here. Light traffic, speeds are 68 miles an hour. You're going to have to keep up with it, dude. Slow down a little bit. 9190, it's taking off still 90 miles an hour. Turn that down. 9190, we are still going eastbound Briggs, coming up to Harrisburg Pike. 90 miles an hour, traffic is light. Chopper, northbound Harrisburg Pikes from Briggs at the auto zone. Traffic is light. Northbound Briggs from Harrisburg Pike. crossing Big Tree. .9190 speeds are 76 miles an hour. Traffic is light. It's crossing cars left of center. Still northbound Harrisburg Pike coming up to Eakin. Chopper, this 28 suspect. Northbound Harrisburg Pike crossing Hopkins. The 9190, can you get us K9? 9190 still northbound Harrisburg Pike. We're crossing left of center here. It's on. It just fived.
Just
five. It just fived out. Stop. Can you get us K9? 9190 still northbound Harrisburg Pike.
God damn it.
We're crossing left of center here. It's on. It just fived. It just fived out.
Heads! Heads! Let me see your heads! Put your hands out!
Chopper, call it. We're working on getting him out of the car. Crawl out! Crawl out! Crawl out! Crawl out! Crawl out! Let's go! Let's go! Walk! Walk! Walk back! Walk backwards! Walk backwards! Keep going! Keep going! Get the fuck back! Get the fuck back!
Chill,
Roll him
guys.
over. Roll him over.
Chill.
Put him in handcuffs.
Hands
Hands behind your back. Stop fucking moving right now.
Fuzz, I understand, Fuzz.
Back here. We're gonna have to go up.
I can punch it.
Okay.
Go slow.
Punch the back window.
Not too many, because you're gonna have terrible.
Hey, you guys, we're gonna go up. Watch the crossfire. Stay back.
That one's not moving. He's not moving. There's one right here not moving. God, there's a rifle or a shotgun, something right there. See it? Hold it. There's a shotgun right there.
We want to try to push the car.
Coming in. Shut down Harrisburg Pike, south of Randsburg. We also need to shut down southbound.
You want to push the car?
There's only one in the back.
Do you want to roll the car?
Watch the front window. There's somebody there.
You want to walk? Push the car. Push the car. Push the car.
Go, go, go. You ready?
Hands! Hands!
Okay, got the front. Rifle, rifle, rifle.
Come on, dude. Come on, help us get you out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. On the ground.
Gun, gun, gun.
Gun, gun, gun.
Got him. Car clear?
193, we've got them all out. Start CFD.
Three medics.
Three
Ready
medics.
them out.
3 medics, we don't have it.
Where'd the shotgun go?
I know where the shotgun went. We got the. Okay.
All three of these were who I saw come out of BP. These are all of them.
This is the suspect. This is the 28 guy.
Oh, shit.
Sorry.
You breathing?
Let me check. Get us back away from this car.
Yeah.
Where's the...
Yeah, we got a pulse on it.
We got pistol, shotgun, and rifle, correct? All right, they're all secure.
My man.